Hi guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you had to find error or output of this program. So start guessing. Your time start now. Okay guys, time up. So let me take you through this program. So I have declared here three variables: a with value 1, b with value 1 and c. So I am performing a operation and assigning to the value of c, and finally I am printing here value of a, b and c. So I think you have already guessed the answer. So let me execute this program. As you can see here, I am getting a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to 2, right? So let's understand this, how we are getting. As you can see here, we have a post increment. That means the value first will assign, then it will increment. So c will be something like this: 1, right? The value of a is got assigned, and after that increment happens. So now value of a become 2 after coming to this control, and here plus, and what is the value of b? So it's 1, right? So now the value of c became 2, right? 1 plus 1, 2, and value of a also become 2. Why? Because of post increment, right? And b value is still 1. So that's why we are getting here output as a equal to, so a equal to 2, right? And b equal to 1 and c equal to 2. Okay guys, so do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.